Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module I want to show you very quickly how the format painter works. So before I do that, I'm just going to format some of these words. So if I make some of these bold, for example, and just change the font size so you can see how this is going to work, and change the color on that one, and underline this one, and just change the font size of this. I'll just use the key command for that one. I'll make it bold, underlined and italic as well. So I've got some different formats there. What I want to do is copy these formats, not the words, the formats from this paragraph to the one below. So this is where the format painter sits. It's on the home tab in the clipboard area, the clipboard group. So if you want to use it just once, you click on the word where the format is that you want, and then you click the format painter once, and then you go and click on the word that you want to copy the format to. So that was a straightforward copy. Now if you want the format painter to stay on, so you can do multiple things, you need to double click the format painter, and then you can click several places like so, and it will stay on until you knock it off. Now if I highlight this, I just want this to be once, so I'll click on the format painter once, and then that's what I need to select. There it is there, so I'll just select it, and then that will copy that format. So I want bend to be red, format painter, and then you're looking for bend, click red. Lorem and matured, click on that one, format painter, we're looking for Lorem and matured, which is on 2 lines, so I need to highlight both of it, and then it does that, and it's off straight away. Now if I just triple click in the margin, it will highlight this whole document, and I'm going to use a key command, ctrl spacebar, which puts everything back to the default font, which is a very good key command, quick if you want to get everything off that you've just been messing about with. There might be a case where you've got the whole paragraph set to let's say centered, and maybe you've got it what else can we do, double line spaced, and you want that format to be replicated throughout this document. So again, I've got that selected, click the format painter and just double click in the margin. I didn't have that selected. Format painter, drag in the margin. So it's copied the format from above, and again if you do Ctrl A to highlight everything and Ctrl spacebar, it will get rid of the fonts. There is no font changes. It won't get rid of the spaces, so we'd have to go into this and put that back to where it was, and the alignment. Or if I do Ctrl Z to bring that back, I could try Ctrl Q, which will reset the paragraphs. So Ctrl spacebar will get rid of the fonts. So if I mess about with the fonts, change the font, change the color, underline and bold, and then Ctrl A, Ctrl spacebar will get rid of all that. And then if I have set the paragraphs to anything weird and wonderful, right aligned and double line space for example, Ctrl Q will set that back. So basically this is just a short video of how good the format painter is, and the good news is you've got the format painter in Excel and PowerPoint and Access, so it's quite easy to use and quite popular as well. So don't forget about it, the format painter. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.